at my worst. What makes you think you deserve the best of me? You shook my confidence. What was it for? You left me questioning my worth, my mind, my love, my heart deserves much more, 'cause I'm worth fighting for. So easily, I wonder if you held me at all. Was I so foolish, trusting you would catch me safely after I fall in love?